Hi, this is Christine. I'm back here today with our local HUD consultant, Gerald Stewart, and we're going to talk a little bit about GC selection. How important is the GC selection for the borrowers doing a renovation loan?
The GC selection is very important. I mean, that's what drives the project from start to finish.
And let's say that the client picks a GC. We do have a sign-up package for the GC where they fill out information like their license. We need to check their liability insurance. They give references of projects that have been done. Also, let's say your GC, we close, you picked your GC, everything's good to go, but then for some reason your GC can't do the project or something goes wrong with the project. We would allow you to switch GCs, but the critical piece is that they're going to have to rebid, like your new GC. There's already a write-up from the consultant called the specification of repair that's been completed. And when you bring in a new GC, they have to make their bid. So we just have to make sure if you do have to bring in a new GC, which it is allowed, because we've had GCs get sick on the job, we've had GCs ghost like the borrower, and sometimes it happens. I mean, you've seen it before.
It does happen.
But the GC selection is probably the hardest part of the process, and they do work with the consultant at the end to make sure that their numbers come in agreement. I mean, do you see consumers struggling with trying to find a GC?
I think that's one of the biggest challenges is them being able to identify a qualified general contractor that has the wherewithal and the finances to run one of these projects, because the GC ultimately is using their own funds, liquidity, or lines of credit to be able to perform the work, pay their subcontractors and their suppliers.
And to add to that, we do give some material allowance once permits are obtained, but it's only 50% of the material with a max of $50,000 for conventional loans. And for FHA, for larger projects, there's only 5 different material items that they will give in advance, and they give 50%. So I'm here for all your needs. While I do renovation lending, I also can do move-in ready. So if you're unsure if you want to buy a home that's move-in ready, or you might buy a fixer-upper, I can handle both for you. So please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips.